Gold and silver rally as U.S. stock indexes sell off. Gold and silver prices are solidly higher near midday Wednesday, supported in part by a sell-off in the U.S. stock indexes at midweek and by some fresh technical buying. There may be growing worries among equities traders about the historically turbulent months of September and October that lie just ahead for the U.S. stock market. The marketplace also awaits an important report from the Federal Reserve this afternoon. December gold was last up $27.40 at $3,386.50. September silver prices were up 39 cents to 37.72. Right now, silver is $38.13. We have stabilized at higher prices. The days of $32, $33, $34, maybe even $35 silver are gone. I do not think that we will be paying those types of prices anymore. Unfortunately, I want the price of silver to stay lower because I'm not done buying. I want to buy more silver, lower my dollar per ounce average, so then when it does go higher, if I ever do plan to sell back to fiat, which is extremely contradicting, but I mean, you still got to pay off a mortgage or whatever. If I do tend to do that, I want to be able to sell at a nice profit. But right now, I'm not planning on selling for another 20 plus years because I'm only 33 years old. So why would I want the price to go higher right now if I don't plan on selling right now? Maybe some people are planning on selling or are ready for silver to do its thing so you could cash out. But at the end of the day, to each his own. Some people have less or more silver. Some people are making more money. Some people are already retired. Some people are very young, just starting out and aren't planning on selling for several decades. Some people, it's so individualized. So I do get it when some people are frustrated saying they've been waiting too long. Like I had a conversation with my friend just a couple hours ago. He's ready. I mean, he has enough silver and gold. I don't, right? I don't. I still, even though I've been stacking, since I'm not going anywhere, why would I want the price to go up right now? And let me know your thoughts on that. Are you ready for silver to go higher, or would you prefer the price to stay down so you can accumulate more? Even if it stays low for just a year or two more, you can acquire a decent amount in a year or two, which would make a substantial difference if silver does skyrocket or when it does. So let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts on that are. Are you ready, or are you waiting it out, or you would prefer it to stay lower? So anyways, this afternoon's minutes from the last meeting of the Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee, or the FOMC, will be parsed by the marketplace for clues on the near-term trajectory of U.S. monetary policy. Stock and financial markets have been quieter this week ahead of the annual Jackson Hole Fed Symposium that gets into full swing Thursday and is hosted by the Kansas City Federal Reserve. Federal Chairman Jerome Powell speaks on Friday morning and is expected to update the Fed's monetary policy framework. So expect a lot of volatility leading up to Friday. Prices are going to bounce around like a ping pong ball until the numbers come out. So anyways, Powell's speech could give the marketplace a new perspective on how much FOMC support there is to lower U.S. interest rates in September. The key outside markets today see the U.S. dollar index a bit weaker, with crude oil prices modestly up and trading around $62.75 a barrel. The yield on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury note is presently around 4.32%. Technically, December gold futures bulls have the overall near-term technical advantage. Bulls' next upside price objective is to produce a close above solid resistance at $3,500. Bears' next near-term downside price objective is pushing futures prices below solid technical support at the July low of $3,319.20. First resistance seen at $3,400, and then at this week's high of $3,403. Now, September silver futures bulls have the overall near-term technical advantage. Silver bulls' next upside price objective is closing prices around the resistance at the July high of $39.91. The next downside price objective is $36.28. First resistance seen at $38, and then $38.34. Hey, Mr. Market's front burner weekly email report. Oh, okay, there we go. Anyways, so yeah. those are the levels to look at. Obviously, Friday is the next big event that's going to affect the price. But like I always try to say, whether it's 38.45, 39.74, or even 37.23, it doesn't matter. Someday you'll be looking back and laughing that you thought paying each one of those prices, or getting upset that you bought silver at 40 cents higher, whatever, because these are pennies to the dollar, literally. And we're talking about silver being much, much higher. So yes, maybe you could get a better price if you hold off on this day or buy this day, but someday you'll be laughing that you even cared about paying a 40-cent difference, unless you're spending a very large amount of money. So yeah, that's what's going on with silver's price today. That's the update. If you want to purchase silver, like I say, someday you'll be wishing you could build a time machine and go back to August 20th, 2025 and pay $38.13 for an ounce of silver. You will be wishing that, because we will not be seeing these prices forever. Take advantage of it. It's like when I was in 2016, when Bitcoin was $800, I was telling people, take advantage of these prices because they will not be here forever, right? We didn't know what Bitcoin would do exactly, but there's potential there, and there's potential here. And the best part about silver's potential is it hasn't done it yet, so we could still take advantage of it. It's like we're living in the future. People that will be paying higher prices eventually someday will be looking at us in awe, saying, how did you guys know? Well, because we're realists and we're just looking at the patterns, the charts, we're looking at the numbers, the inventory, productions, where silver's useful, it's valuable, purpose to make the world go round as we go green, and how it's a hedge against inflation, a store of value, a safe haven, why the gold to silver ratio is so extremely high, proving that silver is the better option, and all this. Most people don't know all that, though, and that's why they might wonder why silver, or people that are in stocks say, well, silver's not really done much, even though it has. If you guys want to see the percentages, where's that at? It's crazy. It is honestly crazy. Oh, it's here. I'll show you. Look at these percentages. Price performance. Today, silver's up 1.49%. The last 20 years, it's up 434%. Last 5 years, it's up 39%. Last year, it's up 26%. The last 6 months, it's up 15%. Oh no, that's gold. Oh no, that's silver. Yeah, you're right. Okay, yeah, that's silver. Let's see what gold is actually. Gold, the last 20 years is up 658%. 5 years, it's up 71%. The last year, it's up 31%. 6 months, it's up 12%. So, yeah, if you see the patterns, it's steadily going upwards as the dollar's steadily going downwards. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that this is definitely the way to go, especially since it's detached from the collapsing dollar. Stocks and all that isn't. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Go join the Patreon, patreon.com/silverslayer. Doing a giveaway in 11 days on the 31st. Every member gets a raffle ticket. So it's $5 a month. You have a chance to win a $50 or $60 coin every month, because every single month you're entered. We have like 25 members. So go in there in the live chat. Go introduce yourself. We send pictures of our stacks, ask questions, everything. It's really fun in there to get to know everyone on a more personal level. You can directly message me on there. It's just like a Facebook for silver stackers. We hang out on there, and plus you have a chance to win silver at the end of every month, so it's something to look forward to. So you're always, it's keeping everything exciting. It's like, maybe I'll win this month, and if you don't win this month, maybe next month. And since there's only like 20 or so members, the odds are a lot higher of winning these giveaways than my main channel giveaways, where there's thousands upon thousands of people entering. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, I will see you guys later today or tomorrow. Keep on stacking, my friends. I will see you soon. This was Silver Slayer. I'm out. Peace. From now on, every single month on the 31st, you have a chance to win silver, a continuous silver giveaway. Well, if you become a member of the Secret Silver Society on my Patreon, you have that opportunity. So every single month, you have something exciting to look forward to, which would be winning silver. On top of that, you'll have access to a live chat room with other silver stackers where you can post pictures and chat, just hang out with everyone, and have early access to my videos along with supporting me. If this is something you'd like to do, then come join my Patreon. It's patreon.com/silverslayer. Upon joining, you'll be given a monthly raffle ticket and instant access to that chat room. Go introduce yourself. Everyone is super nice, and it's more personal and intimate than a YouTube comment section. Folks, I'm so excited to announce that I've partnered with American medical experts whose purpose is helping veterans get the medical benefits that they truly deserve. Over 17 million veterans aren't receiving their full benefits, and if this is you or someone you know, then act now. American medical experts are offering free consultations through our med team to see how we can help. The med team offers board-certified doctors who have experience working with the VA, comprehensive medical evidence for services like mental health as well. Some of these include your Nexus letter, your DBQs, your TDIUs, your AAs, and more. I want to personally thank American medical experts for helping veterans, but also giving me an opportunity to help veterans as well. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get a free consultation through our med team. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless.